I'm an interventional endoscopist, so mostly a clinician, but I have a lot of research ideas and questions that I always wanted to do. So now I'm a research scientist. I spend part of my time taking care of patients and part of time doing research. Yeah, when I was a clinician, I was a 100% clinician, and I did a lot of clinical cases. That gave me a lot of understanding of medicine and all the areas of need there are, but I had no time to sit down, assimilate data, read other papers, and understand and come up with new hypotheses or new questions, problems that I wanted to solve. So I didn't have that time, but now, since I got the AGA Award, I think what it's given me is a gift of time to be able to sit down, to think, to understand the intricacies in medicine, and to try in my own way, in my own little way, to solve problems that we face every day. Well, I think I'd have been a full-time clinician. I would have taken care of patients and I would have derived satisfaction, but I think I would have missed out on the more intellectual part of asking good scientific questions in an attempt to solve my patients' problems. Research is what's going to move our field forward. It's going to give good understanding of the diseases. In medicine today, I believe we've plucked most of the low-lying fruit, and there's a lot more that we need to understand when it comes to mechanisms of disease and to new treatments. So I think in order to advance medicine, I think we need to invest in today's research so tomorrow we can have new things that we can offer to our patients to make them feel better. Well, I think traditionally we have seen ourselves as treating GI diseases. I'm really excited about GI oncology, how as gastroenterologists we can make a difference in other cancers. We're already doing great work in resecting early stage cancers. I believe that there may be a role for gastroenterologists in taking care of cancer patients. And so I'm really excited to see where that field will go in the future. The AGA Research Foundation, I believe, has a really important role to impact young scientists in a very big way. I believe that the future great scientists, the people that are going to make the breakthroughs, are today, they are in the beginning stages of their career, and I think it sets them on a trajectory for success, which would otherwise, we could lose those amazing researchers as they find no opportunity. So I think AGA fulfills that really important gap in supporting young scientists to help them achieve their full potential. Well, research is different types of research, as you know. There are basic research, translational, and clinical research. I think when research is done at a basic science level, I think it makes big breakthroughs that over time evolve, and we make use of that knowledge and understanding to make an impact on patient care. All the current clinical research that we see, I think, has the potential to look for drugs that work really well and to get an understanding of the different algorithms in which we take care of our patients. I think there's a role for imaging in GI. I think that's one underutilized area of gastroenterology. We do use CT scans and other imaging studies, to understand diseases or to rule out diseases. But I think these imaging studies offer a lot more data and information that's not yet tapped into. There are new and amazing tools like AI that can tap into that data that these imaging studies give that we're not able to read today or we're not able to understand today. And I'm really curious as to what these new analytic tools will do in areas of imaging of the GI tract. I truly wish to thank the Research Foundation donors because I think you're making a really big impact. Just like the future citizens of this country are in today's classrooms, and impacting them there can make a big difference for our society. So it's the same thing in research. There are people that are beginning their careers, and by giving them donation and money at that stage, you're investing is in the future of science, humanity, and medicine. Thank you. I think I would be a pilot. I would have been a pilot. I love flying, which I'm not able to learn today, but someday that's my goal, to learn how to fly. And my son's also very interested in flying, so we're going to learn it together once he gets to the age where he's eligible.